Today, my wife Kristen and I are doing a short rainforest hike on the island of Martinique in the Caribbean. Martinique is an overseas French territory that has a remarkable mix of French and Creole culture. They speak a unique Creole version of French and, as an extension of their being a department of France, are part of the European Union and use the euro for currency. If you ever go on a Caribbean cruise, I can't encourage you enough to try and get out of the port area, either on foot or through a shore excursion. The coolest thing about all the islands is that they each have a unique culture, ecology, and a complex history. If you're just shopping for jewelry, you're really missing out. Most Caribbean islands have changed hands several times, and I always find it interesting to spend just a few minutes researching a bit about how things have changed and evolved over time. Martinique is no exception, having changed hands between the French and British at least 4 times between the 17th and 19th centuries, depending on how you count. We were here on a Virgin Voyages cruise and booked this hike as a shore excursion through the cruise line. The whole trip, back and forth from the port, only took about 3 hours. The hike began at the Fontaine Didier bottling plant, which is famous for its naturally carbonated mineral water. At several locations along the trail, there were pipes that allowed excess gases to be vented. You could often hear a kind of low guttural hiss. Kristen and I are avid hikers, and although the hike was beautiful and interesting, if you're looking for an intense workout, it was definitely not that. We had a great time though, and it was definitely worth it. Our guide had some great tidbits and was sure to point out fascinating native and invasive plants along the way. Some folks saw a tarantula. I, unfortunately for me, missed it. Kristen, fortunately for her, missed it as well.
And crush it, 30 or 40 leaves, and crush it. At some point, it's going to. The sun is shining on the sea and we see the community. Wow, absolutely. Very. Voila, perfect. Magnifico. Voila. Up so, very good. Good shoes, by the way.
Thank you.
Very good.
On va passer devant le groupe. Venez.
We're gonna let the champions go in front of us. Best spot to say that give them it's like a boost. Also okay.
mean, you live in Grand Marais. It's kind of not your fault.
You could never be there. End of the hike. So basically, Absalon is an thermal station, which means that people used to come to Absalon for the hot springs and the iron water so they can heal themselves. We have the gorge.
They got run out of Canada.